The Memphis MXALINK2 wireless audio kit lets you send music from one source to several systems without running long signal cables, which is a huge plus for clean installations in vehicles, boats, or home setups. Each compact module can be configured as either a transmitter or a receiver, giving you flexible options for different system layouts and future upgrades. The system operates on a 2.4 gigahertz band instead of Bluetooth or wireless internet, so it avoids pairing hassles and works even when those services are unavailable. Its advertised wireless reach of about 230 feet is impressive for covering large garages, outdoor entertaining areas, or multi-zone audio rigs. Audio quality remains surprisingly solid for a wireless link, with minimal dropouts when the units are placed sensibly and powered correctly. Overall, the MXLink2 kit offers a straightforward, reliable way to add wireless connectivity to existing amplifiers and head units without replacing your entire audio system.